This video is about deflating puffy eyes, effective strategies for lasting relief. Puffy eyes, often caused by factors like lack of sleep, stress, allergies, or genetics, can be a bothersome aspect of one's appearance. While they're typically harmless, finding ways to reduce or eliminate puffiness can significantly impact how we look and feel. This video explores comprehensive and effective strategies to bid farewell to puffy eyes for good, allowing individuals to regain confidence in a refreshed appearance. Understanding the causes of puffy eyes, before delving into solutions, is essential to understand the root causes of puffy eyes. Factors such as fluid retention, allergies, fatigue, aging, dietary habits, or genetics contribute to the accumulation of fluid and swelling around the delicate eye area. Tailoring remedies to address these underlying causes ensures a more targeted and effective approach. Natural remedies and lifestyle changes, hydration and diet, drinking plenty of water, helps flush out toxins, reducing fluid retention that contributes to puffiness. A balanced diet low in sodium and high in fruits and vegetables supports overall hydration and reduces water retention, alleviating puffiness. Cold compresses. Applying a cold compress, such as chilled cucumber slices, cold spoons, or cold tea bags, constricts blood vessels and reduces inflammation, providing immediate relief from puffiness. Sleep and stress management. Prioritizing quality sleep and stress reduction techniques, like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can significantly decrease puffiness caused by fatigue and stress. Elevation in sleep position. Elevating the head while sleeping can prevent fluid buildup around the eyes. Sleeping on an extra pillow or elevating the head of the bed slightly can facilitate better drainage, reducing morning puffiness. Limiting allergens. Identifying and avoiding allergens that trigger puffiness, such as pet dander, pollen, or certain cosmetics, can minimize allergic reactions that lead to swollen eyes. Facial exercises and massage. Gentle massages around the eye area and facial exercises can stimulate lymphatic drainage, reducing fluid retention and alleviating puffiness. Skincare and topical treatments, eye creams and serums. Choosing eye creams or serums containing ingredients like caffeine, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, or peptides can reduce puffiness and improve skin elasticity. These ingredients help tighten and rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eyes. Gentle skincare routine. Adopting a gentle skincare routine that includes using fragrance-free products and avoiding harsh rubbing or pulling around the eyes prevents irritation and further inflammation. Professional and medical interventions, cosmetic procedures. For persistent puffiness, cosmetic procedures like dermal fillers, laser treatments, or microneedling can help improve skin texture, reduce puffiness, and promote collagen production. Medical consultation. In cases where puffiness is chronic or severe, consulting a healthcare professional can help identify underlying health issues contributing to eye swelling. This may involve diagnosing and treating conditions like thyroid disorders or allergies. Conclusion. Bid farewell to the frustration of puffy eyes with a comprehensive approach that combines natural remedies, lifestyle adjustments, skincare practices, and, if necessary, professional interventions. Understanding the root causes and implementing a personalized approach ensures effective and lasting relief from puffy eyes. By incorporating these strategies into daily routines, individuals can reclaim confidence, enjoy a refreshed appearance, and say goodbye to puffy eyes for good.